Como, cook. Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want a cupcake. Today we're making a cupcake with strawberry frosting and a cherry on top. Chef Como, let's cook. What do I need to make a cupcake? Let's find the ingredients.
Wowee!
We found them all. Now let's make the batter.
Wow, 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 wow!
Pour the batter into the cupcase. Place it into the oven and bake. Ta-da! The cake part is done. Now it's time to decorate it. Which frosting should we use? Banana? Chocolate? Let's go with strawberry. Next, some pretty sprinkles. Which one should we pick? Rainbow sprinkles? Ah! Hearts it is! The final touch, a fruit topping. Cherries, an orange, some chocolate, and blueberries. A red cherry's perfect. Ta-da! A yummy cupcake! Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Uba, what do you want to eat?
Uba, uba, ba, uba.
Oh, you want a donut. Today we're making a donut with a strawberry chocolate glaze. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a donut? Let's find the ingredients. Onion? No, onions aren't in donuts. Then flour? Bingo! We need flour. Butter? Yup, we need butter too. What else? A pacifier? No, we don't need that. Then eggs? Wow, correct! How about corn? Oops, I guess not. Chocolate? Yay! Chocolate it is! Last but not least, healthy milk. Wow, we found them all! Now lay your dough out and roll it flat. Press down with a round cutter to make a round shape. A triangle cutter to make a triangle shape. A square cutter to make a square shape. A star cutter to make a star shape, and we're done! Now, let's dunk the donuts into hot oil. Wow, they're fried perfectly. Next, it's time for some strawberry chocolate glaze. The final step, sweet sprinkles. Which one should we use? Chocolate? Orange? Strawberry sprinkles it is. Ta-da! A yummy strawberry chocolate donut. Dig in, Uba. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Are you hungry, Gomi? What do you want to eat? Oh, you want rice cakes. Today, we're making sweet and chewy rice cakes. Chef Como, let's cook. To make rice cakes, we need to make rice. Let's look for the rice cooker. Where is the rice cooker? Is it this? No, this is a mixer. Is it this? No, it's an electric kettle. Where's the rice cooker? This is hard. What's this? Whoa, it's juice now. This must be a blender. Then what is this? Yay! We found the rice cooker. First, let's put the rice into the cooker. Next, pour in some water. Okay, rice cooker, take it away. Wow, warm, fluffy white rice. Now let's put the rice into a wooden mortar and pound it. Hammers ready. Wow, chewy, gooey rice cake. It's stretchy. Let's make it into smaller pieces. Woo! Soybean powder is falling like snow. Yellow soybean powder rice cake. Look, beans are scattered everywhere. Whoa, the beans are sticking to the rice cake. Yummy bean rice cake. Let's put the rice cake through this machine. Wow, a long rice cake log. Rice cake logs are yummier when cooked. Toasty, warm rice cake logs. Enjoy, Gomi. What should we make next time? Hi, Chef Como. Ready to cook something yummy? Oh, Gomi, what do you want to eat? Oh, you want sweet chocolate cake. Today, we're making chocolate cake topped with strawberries and cookies. Chef Como, let's cook. What do we need to make a chocolate cake? Let's find the ingredients. We need whipped cream for sure. Yes, sweet whipped cream. And a strawberry. Sweet and tart strawberry. Now, what else? A sponge cake? Paint? Bingo! Sponge cake! Yikes! You should never eat paint. Let's look in here. Woo! A round cookie. A sweet cookie for sure. Do we need a drum? Ew, I don't think so. Finally, we need a candle. Where could one be? In here? Nope. In here? In here? Found it! We found them all! Como, can you make chocolate whipped cream? Mix whipped cream and chocolate together. And you get chocolate whipped cream. Now let's pick which sponge cake we want. What looks good? Star shape? Heart shape? Round shape? Yes, the round shape it is. Next, let's spread the chocolate whipped cream onto the sponge cake. First, spread the chocolate whipped cream on top. Then spread it evenly on the sides. Yay! It's a chocolate cake! Hi, whipped cream. Decorate the cake, please. Let's add some finishing touches. What do we have here? Yummy cookies, thick mittens, candles, and sweet and tart strawberries. What should we put on top? Mittens? No, mittens aren't edible. Then sweet cookies. 1 stick cookie, 2 stick cookies, 1 round cookie, and 1 more. And a gingerbread man cookie. Don't forget the strawberries. 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries. Looks yummy! We have 1 more topping. 1 candle, 2 candles. Yay! A yummy chocolate cake! Enjoy, Gumi! What should we make next time?